Germany is a really strong country with a great economy and lots of new ideas. It has big industries, smart workers, and it's right in the middle of Europe. If you're looking for a safe place to invest your money, Germany is a good choice. It's a strong economy and plans to grow steadily, which makes it a good option if you want to invest in different things and make money over a long time. Whether you've invested before or you're just starting, Germany has lots of different ways you can invest. From the stock market to real estate and government bonds, there are options for everyone, no matter how much risk you want to take. This video will help you understand the main ways to invest in Germany so you can make smart choices and start investing with confidence. The German stock market, shown by something called the DAX index, has big companies like Volkswagen, Siemens, and Allianz. Investing in these well-known companies lets you be a part of Germany's strong industries and their work around the world. You can buy stock in a single company, or you can spread your money out by investing in ETFs, which follow the DAX or other groups of companies. Real estate in Germany, especially in big cities like Berlin, Munich, and Hamburg, usually goes up in value over time. Owning property in Germany can give you money from rent, and maybe even more money if you sell it later. But it's important to do your research first. Look at things like the location, how good the property is, and how much rent you can get. Government bonds are one of the safest ways to invest. The German government sells these bonds, and they promise to pay you a certain amount of interest regularly, and then give you back your original investment when the bond matures. German government bonds are known for being safe, especially when the economy isn't doing so well. Germany has lots of rules about investing, so things are usually clear and you're protected. A group called BaFin makes sure the financial system is fair and that investors can trust it. Before you invest, learn about the rules, like how taxes work on the money you make. Talking to a financial advisor who knows about German investments can help you make the right choices and follow all the rules. You don't need lots of money to start investing in Germany. There are ways to invest in the German stock market with just a little bit of money. Try putting aside a little money each month to invest and slowly build up your investments over time. Remember, investing is like a marathon, not a race. Being patient, sticking with your plan, and always learning new things are important for reaching your goals. Keep up with what's happening in the market, how the economy is doing, and how the companies you've invested in are performing. Check your investments regularly and make changes if you need to, so they still match how much risk you're comfortable with and what you want to achieve. By starting small, staying informed, and asking for help from experts when you need it, you can understand how investing in Germany works and build a strong financial future.